Listen, I get it. You're looking at the news, and everywhere there are people talking about the war, its economic impact on the jobs, and most importantly, AI taking over and whatnot. And then you look at your resume and you think, what if I don't get into a big B school this year? What if I don't get a job? Mere gap year ka kya hoga? And if that's the question in your head as well, then this video is for you guys. This is me, Priyasha, and today I'll be talking about how you can make sure that your gap year has got its best insurance policy. कौन से ऐसे सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड कोर्सेज में आपको इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए जहां से आपको इनफ कंटेंट मिले टू टॉक अबाउट इन योर interviews, whether it is the MBA interviews you're sitting for or any upcoming job interviews. So let's get started and talk about what exactly can be the best thing for you in 2026 to make sure that your gap year is justified. So if you're thinking about it that kahan se courses karu, where should I do the courses from, what exact certification should I do so that I am employable at the same time I have a good certification and industry experience to talk about, then this video can be a good source of information for you, because here today I'm going to talk about what is Masai School, is Masai School worth it, and today in this video I'll be talking about the honest review of Masai School. Most of you must have heard Masai School as the pay after placement model, but ab Masai School badal chuka hai. In 2026, it's not just coming with this assurance, but along with it, it is one of the most fastest growing career schools in India. It has more than 40,000 active students in its database. And most importantly, the thing which you should pay attention to is that it has collaborated with the big institutes like IIMs, XLRI, IITs, and global institutes like with MIT and Rotman School also. So, what are you waiting for? Aren't these courses just perfect for your profile? And doesn't really matter which domain you belong to. It has courses from almost all the fields, be it software engineering, AI, ML, data science, data analytics, cybersecurity on the tech end, to product management, business analytics, supply chain, entrepreneurship, fintech in the management side. अगर मार्केटिंग में ग्रो करने का इरादा है तो भी इनके पास डिजिटल ग्रोथ मार्केटिंग, ऑटोमेशन एंड एसईओ मार्केटिंग सब में बेस्ट कोर्सेज है फ्रॉम द टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मसाई स्कूल्स कोर्सेज एंड व्हाई दे वर्क. तो याद रहे कि एक आउटकम बेस्ड प्रोग्राम है, so obviously they are not giving you a certificate alone, they are making you employable. And the best part about the courses, which I personally like the most, is I have met many of my mentees who have a lot of problems with English, and they are just holding back in their careers because they feel that English is something which they are not fluent at. So here's a point where Masai is democratizing the education by offering its courses in many vernacular languages like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Malayalam, and Kannada. So, if English has ever been a barrier for you, Masai will let you build your career in your own comfortable language. I know you might be thinking कि क्या होगा अगर मैं invest कर लूँ and इसका कुछ फायदा ना हो तो. So I have few success stories for you to share so that you also understand what really happens at Masai. Here's a clip.
Hello everyone, I am Khushi. I did my graduation last year 2024 from Symbiosis Center for Management Studies Noida, where I was majoring in marketing and my minor was finance. And of course, to complement my academic journey, I did 2-3 internships in marketing field. So after that, I've realized that because the world is going digital, I have to dig into this digital marketing field, and after that I get to know about this Masai into IIM Simor thing. And the faculty is amazing and teach us by giving real life examples, and which makes learning really fun. And I used to think like I've majored in marketing in my college time, so I just thought that maybe the course will be overlapping somewhere. I have to study the same thing or something like that. But I really want to say that there is really a deep and a very dig in knowledge about digital marketing in this course, which I have not studied. And of course it is really interesting and it is really new to me, and I'm looking forward to complete this course. And if I wanted to say my journey in one line, it would be turning passion into profession by learning, as I am interested in creating lifestyle content and maybe fashion content. So I think digital marketing will let me know about what what is going in the marketing, basically SEM, search engine optimization, and many more things. Looking back, I feel great and I feel I've made the right choice for my career if I'm looking it in digital marketing, because I'm experiencing a really good knowledge and of course from faculty, and I would really like to thank Miss Hai for this, and thank you.
See that? That's exactly someone like you who was there in the similar situation where you are right now. And they have placed more than 7,000 people in good companies like Swiggy, Ola, Capgemini with a very decent placement as well. So, what is actually stopping you from taking up a course right here? They are offering courses at a very affordable prices and with the best brands of India and foreign, in not just tech side but also the management side. Along with their general courses, Masai School also has a program called Empower Her, which is a 100% free upskilling program for women, guys. Isn't that awesome? And they also have the AI Curve, where they have launched the Miss Oji AI, a 14 weeks advanced AI program, especially for the developers. And they also have an own AI talent platform called as Placed that already has 1.7 lakh job seekers on it. So, isn't that fantastic that you are entering into an ecosystem? And they are literally building the tools to make you job ready. So if you're worried about your job, or if you're worried about your gap year, or if at all you're thinking or searching ki Masai is worth it or not, then probably this video might have helped you in understanding that Masai is really helping a lot of people with evidence and proof. And if you want to check out the courses yourself, then go and check the link in the description box. You will find most of the details there. And do let me know in the comment section if you want me to suggest you some courses or certifications for your profile specifically. Till then, take care of yourself and remember that we are not waiting for the future, we are building up our own profile. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next one, guys. Till then, don't forget to like this video, share it with more and more people, especially with those who really are afraid about or worried about their gap year. And share and definitely subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much. Take care.